Hey Gunner Bunner, are you joining me for a shoot today? You want to go over what's in this magical bag? Oh, you love tissue paper, don't you? Hi guys, I'm Travis and welcome to my closet. Ta-da! Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Michael Kors Eva Extra Small Logo Tote Bag. Now this is in what, let me check my notes, they call it Admiral Blue. Sorry if I butchered that. Hate me in the comments, please. Gunner, you want to open the tissue paper? He loves tissue paper. Every year for Christmas or any holiday, we celebrate and I wrap his gifts. Get the tissue paper. Get the tissue paper. Oh, get it, yeah! What's in the bag? He's going to be disappointed when he finds out it's not a toy. Oh, let's get rid of that. What's in here? What's in here? Oh, get rid of that. Oh, you know what? Let's just get rid of all of it. Let's get into it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the extra small Eva logo, Michael Kors. I'm just going to call it the blue on blue. This is a very beautiful bag. And quick note for my Patreons, this is available on Patreon if you are a tier level, it's called owner of Travis WTMC. It's $100 a month, but there's only a small limit of people that can join. There's only a limit of 5, and this bag currently goes for $180. And if you're part of my Patreon for $100 a month, you get to pick this bag as yours for free. All you have to do is pay shipping. I'll send it to you COD. Excuse me. I will send it to you COD, and you will be the proud owner of this bag. So, $180 at Michael Kors, or help support my channel, and this is yours for $100. Just saying. We're going to have new products all the time. I don't know what to... I'm getting a little full, and I don't know what to do with these amazing, beautiful bags. And if I can help you, and you can help me, and I can get some money to get some new products, and just keep the process going. So anyways, that's enough of my Patreon little blab. The link will be in the description. And also, because I'm taking care of housekeeping, across everything now, I am Travis WTMC. Now, it's capital Travis and then capital WTMC. Welcome to my closet. I thought it'd be easier that way. You can find me on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, Patreon. A lot easier. All right. Let us get into this bag. First of all, look at that beautiful gold accent all over the bag. We've got clips up here because not only is it a tote, it's a crossbody. I'm getting a little sick of crossbodies, and that's why I love, absolutely love, the fact that nobody has to know it's a crossbody. You have a beautiful tote with leather trim all throughout, canvas here in the signature Michael Kors, and I didn't get to the best part yet. It comes with a bag, a little purse bag. It's attached, but you can detach it. You can detach it either here by clip if you want access to it, or if you don't like it on your tote, this is completely detachable by just pulling this out and unclipping it. But if you're part of the Patreon and this is the bag you select, you also get the little bag. So let's start with the little bag. I'll unclip it. Maybe. Okay. And you know what? For aesthetics, I'm also going to take off the strap that holds it in, because that strap goes around the handles of the tote, and we're just going to take that off and set it to the side very gently. I throw my bags, I throw everything else. I don't throw the merch. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. We have a nice little pouch bag. I don't know what's inside, but it's got leather trim just like the other one with gold accents, even on the clip itself. And on the inside, okay, on the inside we're presented with this Michael Kors fabric that you see in a lot of their bags. It has chain link and the words Michael Kors somewhere right about there. And care instructions. Nobody wants that except for maybe the person that gets it. I'll put it back in. That's all it is. It's a little pouch. But I mean, for a free extra little bag, and it says Michael Kors in there, I mean, this is what you get when you're purchasing the signature collection Michael Kors. Let me set this off to the side and show you why it's the signature collection. The signature collection commonly, let me pull out some packing fuzz, comes with this really unique interior. Now, excuse my ignorance, I am new. When I first decided to purchase this product, I asked if they had another one because I thought it looked stained and dirty. But this is actually done on purpose. This on the inside is a canvas, and Kristen, the girl at my local Michael Kors store, said she loves these kind of totes because they dry really fast. So if you're going to the lake for the day and you don't want to like bust out your super nice purse that has that fabric inlay, you get a signature bag with canvas with this beautiful, it makes every bag one of a kind interior, and it dries, from what I'm told, really, really fast. Now let's listen to it. Yeah, that's going to dry fast. I can tell just by the feel of it. What you get is basically a big empty tote, which is great because if you want to put a little blanket in here, blanket's not going to fit, but like some picnic supplies and a small towel that you could roll up and have coming out the side, or maybe your swimsuit down in here, who knows, whatever life takes you. But I'm sitting on a Gunner's right behind me. Hey puppy, hey puppy. Oh, I love you. I love you. Thanks for hanging out with me. Okay. There is one pocket, though, here in the front. I guess that would be good if you had, like, let me see if I've got anything in my pockets. Nope. But if you had, like, an ID card case and you were going to go out to the lake for the day and you wanted to put your stuff in there, or to shove your keys in there or anything, if you were going to leave it on the shore while you go out to play. And yes, somebody could just run up, grab the bag and run, but usually that's more obvious. So they like to just try to grab your car keys or maybe a wallet. Anywho's, I'm off topic. Beautiful little pocket right here. Let's do the famous hand test. Okay, I can't get 4 in there comfortably. But 3, oh, it's a lot deeper than well, it's got something in it. The price tag. Normally, I don't like to disclose prices. I don't really like to do that. But because I'm doing a big push to get my Patreon signed up, here's the price tag. This is what you're going to be paying at Michael Kors. Through my Patreon, like I said earlier, I'm not going to beat a dead horse. But through my Patreon, you could get this. Excuse me again. You could get this for $100 minus the shipping costs. I mean, only 5 slots available. I would sign up. Anywho's, back to the pocket. We've got 3 fingers width, and it is deeper than I can go with my finger stuck out. So I imagine, let me do some search and discovery. It goes very deep. But it's not wide enough for any type of phone that I'm used to. So just use your imagination. Let's carry on with the review, and we have let me check my notes. We have that's not much adjustable. Okay, that's what I thought. I had to double check. This strap turns it into a crossbody, but it's only 20 to 22 inches. Now, yes, that is a very common size, but not very versatile. I've seen ones with a lot more versatility. Oh, gotta point out, Michael KORS showing their bling bling. That's not focusing, but Michael KORS everywhere. Just slap it on everything. It's beautiful. Why not? The same gold trimmed hardware. And in seconds, especially if you're using this as a beach bag, you got a couple of Gatorades in here, or your swim trunks, or what have you. You've got your shoulder bag. So let's give that a whirl. Now, excuse me, assistant. Can you get down, please? Gunner, get down. Thank you, honey. You'll get cookies for that. Okay, so it's sitting right now at a medium level. It's a little too high for me, but it does have room for adjustment. These straps I thought might get in the way, but I don't think they're going to. I think that they'll be just fine. The last thing, if I could get out of this, the last thing I'm going to go over is its dimensions, because that is very important in my opinion when they call something extra small. Now, it's a tote, so as far as totes go, yes, this is small, but we're looking at 10.25 wide, so this way, 10 1/4 inches, and then we've got 8 inches high, which it kind of looks square, but it's not. It's 8 inches high, and then our depth, or this dimension here, is a good 4 inches. So yeah, my hand, as I echo. Okay, sorry about that. My hand here on the bottom. Those are our dimensions. We've got the ability to turn it into a crossbody, which I'm actually curious, because I recently did this with one of my other bags. I got tired of having a shoulder bag on my mountaineering bag. I did a review on it. It's never in here anymore because I use it all the time. But I use it more as a briefcase. I carry it by its hand strap. So you can easily tuck in those. You can easily drop in your little pouch, and off you go to the races. I will miss this once a Patreon chooses it as their gift for the month. It's one item a month. Every month you are subscribed, you get to pick a new item. Not everything in my library is up for grabs, but I will be posting individual items, and some items will be grouped. Some smaller items, it's a little hard to see, but right in here, I've got some items, and I don't see giving away a Coach golf ball set by itself as a proper motivation for a $100 membership. So that golf ball set is also going to be combined with the North by South patch, North by South pouch with Coach patch. That's one of my top rated videos right now, and I'm sure that with the golf balls is going to go hot. So thanks for hanging out in my closet. I'm Travis, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Real quick, I forgot to mention, if you do join Patreon and you want that bag, it will come with this dust bag. Any item I purchase that comes with a dust bag, I will be including. I've got a pile of dust bags. I don't need them. They are just getting dusty. So, bye for real this time.